morning everybody, it's from Jayshree. We are going to discuss the case study of topic about biotelemetry system with the final year students. So let us see what do you mean by biotelemetry. So it is a wireless transmission of psychological data from a patient to the remote monitoring system. Okay. So it is widely used in varieties of hospitals, home care and many sports persons to measure the temperature rate, pressure rate and heart rate parameters, etc. So there are few of the excellent students who are going to discuss about the case study. So Vishal, Kanishka, Archana and Vidina here. So let us see in detail about this case study.
So first is biotelemetry. It is mean measuring and transmitting the signals from a distant to a location, which is for monitoring and analysis. So its main purpose is remote sensing monitor. So for remote sensing monitor, we will do our track the patient in vital signs and in physiologically in a hospital. Then ambulatory care. So for this, it monitor the patients during data. Then it sends for example ECG, heart rate. So it sends to an daily activities. Then emergency medicine. So in emergency medicine, it sends to a patient data from emergency hospital, from emergency to hospital. Then sports and research. So for this athletic, so athletic physiologically they are in real time. And for example, ECG oxygen saturation for the purpose they will use for sports and research. And for wildlife biological research, they will track the health of activities of animals and in their natural environment.
Now let's see the working principle of biotelemetry. The first step is sensing or measurement. The second step is signal conditioning, and the third step is transmission. Fourth one is reception, and fifth one is displaying. First one is sensing. For sensing, we use transducers or sensors to collect the physiological parameters. Sensors like ECG electrodes, pulse oximeters, temperature probes, etc. are used to detect the physiological parameters. The second one is the signal conditioning. Signal conditioning is done to amplify or filter the signals that we extract through sensing. And further, we use like analog to digital converters. The third one is transmission. Transmission is used to send the data to the receiver. So we use wireless communication like RF, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular data, etc. The fourth process is the reception. That is, the receiver at the end will monitor the data that which is collected through the transmission. And the last one is the display. The data which is collected is shown in the display. And often alerts values goes beyond threshold.
When a doctor prescribes a patient to wearable cardiac telemetry device, the setup of this device is four parts: ECG sensor, transmitter unit, wireless network, monitoring system. In ECG sensor, there is a 3 LED ECG patches placed on the chest, and transmitter unit, small portable device attached to a patient's bed, and wireless network, data transmitted via GSM or 4G to the hospital. Monitoring station, hospital's telemetry unit staffed by cardiac nurses.
So now let us discuss the outcome of this case study. Within the first 48 hours, the telemetry system detects multiple short episodes of SVT, that is supraventricular tachycardia. Based on the data, the cardiologist prescribed arrhythmiatic medication and advised lifestyle changes. The patient avoided a potential hospitalization because the problem was detected early. Next, the advantages observed in this case study is continuous monitoring, early detection, and patient comfort. In continuous monitoring, unlike periodic checkups, the device tracked the heart 24/7. Early detection also was caught before it caused major symptoms. Patient comfort, the device allowed the continuous daily activities while being monitored.
Okay, now let's see the limitations of this device. Battery life, needed charge every 24 hours. Data security, required encryption to protect patient data. Signal drop, in rural areas, network issues occasionally happen. So that's a limitation in this device.
So let us conclude this case study. This case study demonstrates how biotelemetry in cardiac cath can improve patients' outcome by enabling real-time monitoring and immediate intervention. This approach reduces hospital stays, empower patients, and helps doctors make timely data-driven decisions.
Yes, excellent explanation about Archana said the purpose of the biotelemetry. And what about the Vishal said was the limitations and the 4 phases of this ECG, EEG, etc. And also the Kanishka said the conclusion about this biotelemetry. So it's nice to interact this biotelemetry topic with this. So thank you all.
Thank you.
Have a great day.